So in this video, you'll learn how to enter easy mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So now easy mode simply enlarges everything on your phone, making it easier for you to actually navigate through your device and just learn how to use your Galaxy phone. So the first step when it comes to entering easy mode is to simply go ahead and open the settings app. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option display. And then under display, you want to scroll down until you find easy mode. Tap on it. From here, in order for you to enter easy mode, you're just going to tap on the toggle like that to enable it. Once it's been enabled, you can then scroll even further down and then you'll have other options to choose from. So you have the touch and hold delay, so you can choose from the default, which is 1.5 seconds, to 0.3, or you can create your own custom seconds. And then, once you finish with those customizations, you can also choose to have the high contrast keyboard enabled. If you don't want it enabled, you can just tap on the toggle and you'll just go back to using the regular keyboard. Once you've made all of the customizations that you want, you can now navigate to the home screen and you can see how the screen has changed to suit the easy mode settings. You can even notice my high contrast keyboard has been successfully enabled in easy mode. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about entering easy mode and its other features, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.